Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, dry, or slightly damp extensions and a detangling tool. Use a light detangler or a 1 conditioner water spray so fibers slip past each other. This prevents breakage. Pin the weft or clip area so it stays stable while you work. Always hold the hair above the knot to protect the attachment, then gently work from the ends upward in 1 2-inch sections. Once the major snarls are gone, go back for smaller knots to avoid tightening them further. Once the bulk of tangles are reduced, isolate problem knots with clips so you can focus. You should loosen the outer fibers with your fingers first. This reduces stress on the attachment. Then use a tail comb tip or the loop and tease method to gently work through the knot from the edges. Teasing separates fibers rather than yanking. Make sure to keep tension off the base. If a knot is immovable or at the attachment, stop and consider professional retaping, reknotting, or replacement. After detangling, smooth the lengths with a light oil or serum. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and avoid the root or adhesive zone so bonds stay intact. Style using low heat and a heat protectant. 1 or 2 quick passes prevents new tangles. Make sure to breathe and inspect each weft for remaining snags. If you encounter persistent matting at the base or damage to bonds, stop and either remove those extensions or consult a pro. Forced detangling risks permanent fiber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.